Hey, what's up, Flex Squad? Thank you for joining. We got another band resistance band workout here, okay? So grab your bands. Does not matter what color you have, what resistance you have, all will work. Alright, put it to the side. Let's warm it on up. Nice and easy. Jog it in place. Alright, just to warm the body up, breathing going. Bands versus weights. It's a nice switch up, okay? If you're used to a weight workout, grab a band. They're compact, they're easy to travel with. You can get a pump anywhere, anytime, okay? Alright, nice and easy. Give me a jump rope right here. Bouncing on the toes, heels are off the ground. Swing those arms. Full body workout. 2 sets of each exercise. And then we got a finisher at the end. You will get 15-second breathers if you need it. Alright, if you don't, you can always extend around if you need it. If you want that challenge, you're feeling strong today, you're feeling awesome, then do a little bit more. Backwards jump rope, swing those arms backwards. Keep it breathing. Alright, so again, as I was saying, any band color is required, okay? You can always adjust the tension, adjust the width of the band, the length of the band. We'll bring it on down first. Alright, you're gonna sit on that band. It's a high angle press here. Alright. Palms facing down. Wrist pressing up at an angle. Alright, so again, you're sitting on the band. High angle press. Not straight up, not shoulder press. It's working the upper chest here. Punching towards about 45-degree angle. Exhale. Alright. Nice and easy. Working that upper chest here. High angle press. As I was saying earlier, you can adjust the length of the band if you need to. Tighten it up a little bit more for a little bit stronger, more challenging workout. Or loosen it up if you're feeling tired. You're feeling that form, you're losing that form. Loosen up the band. Okay. Good. One more. Then you bring it down. Lay it on the band here. Alright. This one you might need to grab a little bit more of the band if you need to. We're just working a chest press here, okay? Coming down and up. Elbows hitting 9 degrees, close to the ground. Feet are flat. Knees are bent. Punching right up to the ceiling. Holding that band again. I'm not holding the hands, I'm actually holding it below the handles just to give me a little bit more tension in that band. You'll know if it's too easy for you. You'll feel it not even moving if it was too loose of a band. Good. So the band is right there behind your back. Alright. Pressing up. Chest press right here. Adjust that band if you need to. Okay, this is first set. Second set's coming right up after this into that high angle press again. Second time we do each exercise twice, just so you get extra practice and you challenge yourselves a little bit more each round, okay, each set. Sitting on that band. Alright. High angle press right there. Good. You feel a little bit in the shoulders, don't get me wrong, it is working some shoulders and it's working that upper chest here. Good. 30 seconds left, then we bring it back down into that chest press one more time. Then we take a little 15-second breather. But again, if you don't need that breather, you can continue that exercise until the next set. Good. 15 seconds. Good job, everybody. Keep it going. Remember that bands, you gotta focus on the positive and the negative contraction, okay? You can't just let that band drop. You gotta control it coming back down. Alright, lay on that band. Chest press. Grab more of that band if you need to. Press up. Good. Great job, everybody. Control that band. Don't let it control you. Remember that. You want to focus on the positive and on the negative. They're coming back down. You don't want to just sling that band back. Good. Again, grab more of that band if you need to, okay? Adjust your hands anytime during this workout. That's the brilliant part of these bands, is that you get multiple tensions with just one band. So again, I said earlier, doesn't matter what band color you have, what resistance number you have, you adjust accordingly. Great job. Take a break after this, okay? Here we go. Take a breather, 15 seconds. Catch that breath if you need to. We're gonna bring it back up to the feet when you're ready. Alright, shake those arms out. Grab that band here. There's a close press, so you're gonna hold it together. Press up. Good. Again, if one foot is too loose for you, add in a second foot, okay? Good job, everybody. Again, hands together. If one band is too tight, okay? If one band is too tight, just drop one end down. You can hold this handle together, and you press right here, okay? This way you can adjust it as much as you need to. Alright, as tight as you need it, as loose as you need it, or if you can, one foot down. Feel that tension. You pick your workout. You do what you can. You know your body best. Remember that. This is your workout in the end. Alright, bring it on down. I'm gonna work in some squats here, okay? This one you might need to grab more of that band. And you come up. Alright, sit it down. Pull as much as you need to. So you feel some tension as you come on up. Reach that bottom back. Alright, that's when you will adjust the band. When you're in that squat position, adjust the hands. Then you come all the way up and you feel that tension. Sitting back. Feet shoulder width apart. Heels in line with those toes. Still perfect squat form here. Just because we add that band, it does not make any difference. It's just adding a little bit more challenging. Exhale as you come up. Inhale as you come down. Nice job. Keep those feet flat, okay? You don't want that band slipping from underneath your toes, underneath your feet. Alright. Close grip press one more time. Again, you can be here, pressing it up. Or, drop one side. Grab that band right there between the both hands. Work it this way. Yeah, plenty of band to work with. Find your sweet spot, that resistance where you control it, but it's still challenging. Okay, we're building strength up with this band here, with that resistance, so you need to feel the resistance. So give you a little bit extra. Nice job. Exhaling. Inhale as you come down. Good. Working those shoulders here. Back is tall, core is engaged. Stay balanced. Foot is nice and flat against the ground. Few more. Alright, squats one more time. Again, both feet in. Hit that squat, grab as much of the band as you need to, so you feel it as you come up. You feel that band stretch. Great job. Keep that back tall. Keep those eyes forward. Keep watching me. Alright? Or watching behind me, whatever it is. As long as those eyes are forward. Not down. Okay, we don't want the chin down to the chest. It's gonna keep that spine nice and neutral, nice and tall. Good. Push through those heels. Extend those legs up. 15 seconds left. Nice work, everybody. We'll take another break after this. Third round coming up. And relax. Shake those arms out. Okay. Grab some water, wipe some sweat. Do what you need to do to calm your body down, okay? So you can stay strong for the next workout. Alright, the next round. Alright, here we go. Both feet or one foot. You're gonna cross those bands though. Upright row here, okay? So again, if you have 2 feet, you can adjust accordingly. Again, bands making an X. Pull those elbows up, upright row. Exhale. Good job. Nice work, everybody. Then find that motivation. Dig deep down inside of you. Feel the fire. Reaching that goal. Working for that goal. If you haven't started a goal, think of a goal. Why are you working out today? Why did you watch this video? Why are you joining in on this workout? It's always a start. You start from day one. You work for it till you reach that goal. Then you go beyond it. That's up to you. One more. Alright, we're gonna work a tricep pull down with this band, okay? So what that means is you're gonna hold one hand. I'm gonna start with my left. String it through the thumb. Pull it down right here. Side view. Other hand right in front of you, okay? Right down the center of you. You're pulling down. Elbows 90. Pull back all the way. Extend that arm all the way down. Stretch that band out. Again, right there in front. Right there, center of your body. Switch sides. Just gonna switch those arms. One arm's coming up. Pull down again. Side view. Extend that arm all the way down towards the ground. Imagine you're reaching for your pocket. Try to put that hand in that pocket. That's how far down I want you to go. Good. Control that band coming back up. Pull down. Alright, upright row one more time. Both feet in, make that X with that band. Palms towards you. Pull on up. Adjust accordingly if you need to. Sometimes that band might be a little bit lighter on one side, so adjust your footing. Push your feet, probably not in the center of that band. Right there. Good. Working the shoulders. Exhale. Inhale. Control the band. Nice job, everybody. Nice job, squad. Keep working for it. Keep flexing those muscles. Keep pushing towards that goal here. 15 seconds. Tricep pull down one more time. We are almost done with the workout. We got that finisher at the end. I won't tell you what it is yet, but we'll complete our workout, okay? Alright, tricep pull down. One arm up. Pull down, straight down. Adjust if you need to. If that band's too tight, you can't get that arm all the way down. Give it a little bit more slack, okay? Side view, right there. Again, reaching for that pocket. Arm is fairly straight all the way up towards the sky, towards the ceiling. Right there. Alright, switch sides. Pull down. Last one's here. We got less than 30 seconds left. Take a break after this, 15 seconds, one more time. I'm gonna finish out with a little ab workout, okay? Good. 10 seconds. Great job, looking good. Feel the sweat. Feel the arms burn. Alright, 15 second breather. Now we're gonna put the band to the side for now. Alright, we're done with those now. We're gonna lay it down on the ground. We're gonna finish off with those abs here. Alright, feet down. Bring it back. Hands behind the head. Twisted crunch here. So you're reaching that opposite, for that opposite knee with that opposite elbow. Just side to side. Getting a little bit different in just the basic crunch here, okay? Nice and easy and control each side, each twist. Again, you're just reaching that knee to that elbow, or that elbow to that knee. However you want to think of it. Getting that shoulder up. You're trying to engage those abs here, crunch those abs as you really reach for it. Trying to really reach. Good, it's just a crunch, okay? So you're not coming all the way up. Good. Almost there, everybody. Nice work in today's workout. Again, resistance band workout are very nice that you can work out anywhere, anytime that you have a band. Relax, catch that breath. Great job today. Sit here or lay here, catch that breath. Bring those knees in, nice and tight. Hug them in through the chest. Alright, drop those knees to one side. Arm opening up, looking over to the other side. Switch, drop those knees to one side. Hand reaching out to the other side, looking over to that hand. Trying to aim to get those knees flat against the ground. If you can't, then that's okay, but you're still aiming for it. Alright, bring it on up. Hands behind the knees. Roll it on up. Alright, right arm coming across the chest. Resist the arm pulling it in. You can feel a little bit more in that stretch here. Arm straight across the chest. Switch sides. Nice and easy breathe in here. One arm over. Fingertips down the spine. Pull the elbow over. Other side. Alright, bring those arms right behind. Last one. Pull on back. Chin up. Arms forward, chin down. Hands up. Feel the tension in the arms. Lengthen those arms. Lengthen that body. Lean it over one side. Side stretch here. Other side. Hands back at center. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with the workouts. I post workouts weekly. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more resistance band workouts or more weights workouts, okay? Alright, till next time, stay fit, stay flex, and I'll see you next time.